I thought that it didn't work, like heads moving. Sorry, please.
Yeah, no, I'm going to Cherno because that Asian cunt's there. And bomb him first.
Alright. How much did this helicopter cost?
It was only like 800k.
Fuck, that's heaps.
Not really.
How much do you have?
0.3 mil.
Holy fuck. Do you have a base, dude? I'm keen on building a base.
I don't have one, no.
Like just a fucking tiny little base in the forest or some shit.
I don't have a base. I'll be fucked. Too much effort.
Do you want to build one?
So much effort.
Well, just I mean tiny. Like a fucking square, dude. It'll be small. Square, walls, and a roof done.
Down there somewhere there's zombies.
So don't rely on me, like, when... Holy fuck, no way!
Hey Jack.
You're a fucking beast.
Jack.
Lane, yeah.
I'm flying round in Arma 2 with an armed little bird. It's got fucking Hydra rockets on the side, and there was these two Asian cunts joined the server, and they were in this barracks, and I just strafed it and got a double kill. Do you want to go down and loot it, dude?
Dude, that was fucking clean.
Do you want to loot it?
How'd you know that? Do you?
They might have good stuff, I don't know.
Yeah, let's loot it, fuck it, why not?
Take their radios anyway, rate 18k each, just good money.
Really?
Oh, that's fucking crazy.
Yeah, dude, whenever you kill someone, dude, open up your backpack and put their radio in your backpack. They sell for 18k each.
What the fuck? What I'll do is I'll drop you off, then I'll land on top of the industrial tower and snipe.
My bag's full as fucked up.
Drop some shit in the heli? Oh, alright, see what they've got.
How do I do that? Do I have to get out and do it?
No.
Because I'll drop heaps of shit
Press
off, I
G.
just got done.
Jack, that was fucked up. They were trying to loot the barracks, and I strafed them with high explosive anti-infantry Hydra rockets.
Did you see where they were?
They were, I don't know, the explosion killed them, dude. They were at the back somewhere.
Fuck, that explosion. Oh yeah, I see the bodies. They were doing something.
You need to play this, dude.
Had an M1 FE1, is that any good?
That sells for a bit.
Alright, I'll take that.
Jack, that was fucking hectic.